In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an ExpressVPN license key. If you purchased a subscription from a third-party retailer, received one as a gift, or got it through a bundle, you may have been given a 16-character alphanumeric license key. It's important to know that this key is not entered directly into the ExpressVPN app. Instead, you first need to redeem it through ExpressVPN's official website so the subscription time is properly added to your account. To begin, open any web browser on your computer or smartphone and go to expressvpn.com/redeem. This is the official redemption page where your key will be processed securely. What happens next depends on whether you're brand new to ExpressVPN or already have an active subscription. If you're new, look for the field labeled Enter Code, type or paste your 16-character license key, and click Continue. After the key is validated, you'll be prompted to create an account. At that point, enter your email address and create a strong password you'll remember. Make sure that password is secure, since this account will manage your subscription. If you already have an ExpressVPN subscription and want to add the new prepaid time to your current account, click the Sign In link on the redemption page first. Log in with your existing account credentials, then complete the email verification step if prompted. Once you're signed in, return to the redeem field, paste your 16-character key, and submit it. This ensures the extra subscription time is added to your existing plan rather than creating a separate account. After your license key has been redeemed, the next step is to get your activation code for the app itself. Go to expressvpn.com/signin and log into your account dashboard. In the middle section of the dashboard, find the area labeled Set up your devices. There you'll see an activation code. Use the copy icon next to it so the code is saved to your clipboard.